Today we're going to look at this question. Two horizontal forces F1 and F2 act on a 4 kilogram disc that slides over frictionless ice, on which an XY coordinate system is laid out. Force F1 is in the positive direction of the x-axis and has a magnitude of 7.0 Newton. Force 2 has a magnitude of 9.0 Newton. Figure below gives the x component of Vx of the velocity of the disk as a function of time t during the sliding. What is the angle between the constant directions of force F1 and F2? So we have figure here. We see that is the velocity x direction, x component. And I see this is the straight line linear graph. So this is a velocity is constant. Of course, the force is constant, then this will be velocity will be constant. And not velocity is constant, this will be acceleration is constant. The velocity is increasing. Therefore, there's a constantly the increase accelerate. Then first I'm going to figure out what their acceleration. So acceleration, we can calculate I going to A acceleration x component. You calculate it by we can over this figure graph the given. So velocity x minus velocity initial x component over the time the difference. So this is at final they have 5 meters per second at this point. So 5 meters per second minus the initial velocity time 0. Initial velocity was -4. So -4 meters per second. And the time duration is 3 seconds. So that will be 5 minus 4, that will be 9 meters per second over 3 seconds interval. Therefore, this is acceleration is 3 meters per second square. Now we want to calculate the force F2 x component. So net force x component that will be causing our acceleration. That should be equal to force 1 x component plus force 2 x component. That will be net force on x component. That should be equivalent m. Here is that 4 kilogram times acceleration x component. So force 1, they said force 1 is in the positive direction of the x-axis. Therefore, this is I'm going to 9. Force 1 was 7 newtons. So I needed to fix this. There will be 7 Newton. And because x component, so I write here in cosine 0 degree. Okay, cosine 0 is equivalent to 1, and then it will be same as 7 Newton plus F2 x component equal to this mass is a 4.0 kilogram, and the acceleration we calculate here is 3 meters per second square. 3 meters per second square. Then I can write in this equation, it will be 7.0 Newton plus F force, second force, x component equals 12 Newton. So F2 second force x component is supposed to be 12 Newton, subtract 7.0 Newton. Therefore, x component of second force is 5 Newton. Now I need to calculate the angle. So the angle I can calculate. Oh, alright. Before the calculator, I have to lay out how this is supposed to works. X component, this isn't. We already x component of the second and the force with 5.0 Newton. That's x2 x component. And we had this here F2 force. F2 has a magnitude 9.0 Newton. Then I'm going to make this F2 is something like this. This is F2, which is 9.0 Newton. So I need to find out this angle. Therefore, angle should be able to calculate by arc cosine of 5.0 Newton over 9.0 Newton. The angle is approximately 56 degrees. Okay, so this is today's review for the AP Physics question. So if you have any problem I want me covered during on the channel, please leave the comment or send me email. I will try my best to make time to go over the question you requested. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.